I'm Milan with WD-40, and today we're looking at the WD-40 Specialist Gel Lube, which is perfect for those hard-to-reach vertical surfaces. Whether you're working on an overhead crane or a vehicle in the air, this is your ideal lubricant. Step 1, identify the vertical surfaces or moving parts that need lubrication. Step 2, apply gel lube. Spray the gel lube directly onto the target area. It goes on thick and stays exactly where you spray it. Step 3, observe its effects. The gel lube's self-healing characteristics ensure it continues to lubricate effectively, even under extreme temperatures ranging from -100 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, guys, there you have it. I hope that you got some value out of those tutorials. Now, if you want to learn more about the entire Specialist brand, head over to WD-40 to check out the full range of the Specialist brand to see how the pros use it.